Welcome back. And today we're going to have a unboxing of another shell cordovan piece that came in the mail today. So look forward to it, and thanks for watching.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and our channel we talk about men's dress wear. It's all about footwear, and we talk about unboxing videos, general shoe knowledge, helping you understand the industry and what's happening with your shoes. We look at shoes critically to determine whether or not they're worth the price that they charge. We compare shoe to shoe to understand which one is the best of the same category, and then I interview experts in the field to get their take as well. Check out my playlists to see all my videos.
Well, welcome back. So today I have another really cool piece of shoe adjacent material came in the mail. We'll have that so that you can actually see the, I guess, try to actually have the logo right set up, right? It's always hard to tell for me. But this is a watch strap for my Apple Watch. Now you'll look at the watch that I have here. This is the shell cordovan watch strap that is the, and I should have had my shoe graphic on there. I usually do that. But this is marbled shell cordovan, which matches another accessory that I had out here the other day, which is my marbled shell cordovan wallet, right? So now today, I have a, oh, and by the way, I talked about card cases. I might have a slight problem with them. And even wallets, I have, a fair few as well. So, but anyway, as I look at what came, this is a watch strap that I got for a very specific pair of shoes. So I thought I'd bring out those shoes as well, so you can kind of see how they match. So this is from Ashland leather, and this is green shell cordovan. So why would you have green shell cordovan? Well, when you have green shell cordovan shoes. See? So this is a pair of Allen Edmonds leads, part of the recent shell cordovan event that they ran over there. And check that out. Isn't that cool? So I don't know if you know how to change a watch strap on an Apple Watch. It's very simple. There's a button in the back. You simply click on the button, slide off the strap, slide the new one on, do the same on the other side, and that's it. You're good to go. There's a reason why I have so many different watch straps for it, because it's easy to change. It's not like your typical, like if I tried doing this on my Omega or my Oris or any of my traditional watches, I would stab myself while I'm trying to change a watch strap on it. So now when I'm out and about wearing my my green shell leads, these are PTBs, so I'll just call them Plainteau Bluchers or PTBs because that's what I normally call them. I don't usually refer to shoes by the brand or by the model name. But when I'm wearing these, I'll have the watch strap to go. So it's small details like this that I like, that really draw me to this in general. And so just a little something for fun for the end of the day. Thanks for watching.
Check out my playlists for a assortment of my videos as well as factory tours around the industry.